What is going on YouTube? It's Sankey and I make videos on the stock market. So it's been an amazing day in the stock market and for our portfolios. And if you guys have been following the channel and jumping into our plays, I know you guys have been doing well also today. And a question I've got recently quite a lot from you guys is when to take profits, especially on our penny stock plays. I know a lot of you might be up 30, 40, 50% or more, and you don't know when to take your profits, reward yourselves and move on to the next one. Well, today marks a good day to take some profits. I'm going to share with you the plays that I've taken profits on. Up on screen we have Ag Eagle, that's ticker symbol UAVS, currently standing at $8.17. This is a drone manufacturer that I put you guys in a couple of weeks back. A lot of us jumped into this play. And over the last couple of days, couple of weeks, they've had some volatility, right? But it pays to be patient in the stock market when you're sitting on some quality plays. They are up 41% today, so it's a fantastic result for those of us who held in there. Now, what I've gone and done is I've gone and sold out 75% out of Ag Eagle. I've left in 25%. Now, I do believe in this play long term. I do think that UAV sector is going places, and Ag Eagle has laid the foundation for a good future. But that 41% up, I want to take out 75%. So, you know, if you guys want, you can go and reward yourselves by taking out whatever you want, whether it's 50%, 75%, you could do 10%, but do consider rewarding yourselves from Ag Eagle. Up next, we have Orbital Energy, that's ticker symbol OEG. It's currently sitting at $2.88. Another great play. They're an acquisition company. They go out and acquire businesses within the gas industry, the power industry and the solar industry, right? And we jumped into this play a couple of weeks back. I put you guys on this play also, and I know a lot of you jumped in because you guys have been asking me a lot of questions over the last couple of days and weeks about Orbital. They are up 35% on the day. So what I've gone and done, I've gone and rewarded myself. I've taken out 50% out of Orbital. Now I still do think that they could have a good potential future, right? You know, if they manage their business properly, go and acquire some high quality, high growth assets. But that pop off in the share price plus the performance over the last couple of weeks, you know, I'm up 70% in Orbital, so I'm taking out 50%. So what I've done with those profits is I'm reinvested them into another potential high growth play that I want to put you guys on called Cloud Commerce Solutions. That's ticker symbol CLWD. Cloud Commerce Solutions is the digital advertising business. They have their main solution called Swarm. And what Swarm does is it helps business find who to talk to, what to say to them and how to market to them as well. And overall, this helps businesses acquire and retain new customers, right? And they do this through their data analytics and their artificial intelligence. So they're growing very rapidly and they're in high demand. So I want to highlight that they've been recognized by Deloitte in their North America top 500 fastest growing technology companies. Now this is a big achievement for cloud commerce, and this is actually the second consecutive year that they've been included. And this is because they've achieved 345% growth over 3 years. So this is a rapidly growing business. And this is because of the uptake and the results that businesses have achieved after using the Swarm solution. If you read the fine details, the CEO is saying that Swarm is still in its infancy. So this is a good thing, right? Of signs of new customers, more market share if, you know, they can improve that Swarm solution on an ongoing basis. So I want to put this on your radar. We have a leading school that has released their results after partnering with Cloud Commerce and using their Swarm solution. Increase in web traffic of 133%, 10,000 hours of video consumed, and increase in enrollment numbers by 215%. So these are some big numbers, right, after using Cloud Commerce's solutions, right? So this is really positive news that the actual product, the platform works for businesses. So quick touch on their financials. They forecasted revenue for 2020 to be $14 million. Now they came out with that forecast in June 2020. So I'm putting you guys on a little bit of game here now. That's what I like to see when a management team is so confident in their business, right, that they forecast those numbers so early ahead of time. That's one of the reasons why I like DSG, because they've come out confidently and forecasted the 2021 revenues well before 2021 has even begun, right? So this is a good sign and something you guys, you know, should be looking out for. So 14 million in revenue, guys, is good, very good, considering that market cap is only $11 million. That market cap has the potential to be a lot higher than $11 million, especially if we have a company like this that's growing so rapidly, talking 345% over the last couple of years. So that's why I think this company can explode further. Now, as always, penny stock plays carry a lot of risk. You have to be very careful with them. They can be very volatile, right? But what I've done is, as you can see, I've gone and taken my profits from some of my other plays to reinvest into this play. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time of the day it is. It's question of the day time. Now, this question comes from a patron. He wanted to know about ISAs and how much you can invest each year. So I thought it was a good question. I'll come and share it with you guys. Now, I've done a full UK US tax breakdown video a couple of videos ago. I'll leave a link at the top so you guys can check that out. Even if you're not selling your stock this year or next year, it's still good information to have on hand ready for when it's actually needed. Now, with ISAs, you can invest around 20,000 each year. It does change each year, but it's around 20,000, and whatever profit you make within your ISA, you don't have to pay tax on. So if you double up, triple up, no tax on it. So it's a very tax efficient way of investing, right? And you should definitely utilize ISAs if you don't already have one, or if it's your first account. So one of the questions I got from you guys a lot over the last couple of weeks is why I use the invest account on Trading 212 and not the ISA account. That's because I have different investment accounts, right? And one of my other investment accounts is an ISA. My YouTube growth portfolio is outside my ISA. Now, when you guys start investing more than 20,000 a year, you're gonna have to start investing outside your ISA, and then you're gonna have to start paying taxes on it. So that invest account, I will have to pay taxes on it when I sell up a lot of my stock and I go above my capital gains allowance each year. I will have to pay taxes on it. So I just wanted to clear that up for you guys. Definitely use an ISA. It's the most tax efficient way of investing, and it will save you guys a lot of money in the long run. So that brings us to the end of the video. Please hit a like, it really helps the channel out. If you're new, do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join Stockflix. And as I always say to you guys, do check into the channel each and every day. Stock market is rapidly moving, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.